Okay, today we're going to be learning how to change the 4-pin connectors and the UV bulbs on a Zapp UV unit. Here you can see this 4-pin connector has burnt ends, and this one as well. So we'll also be changing the UV bulbs. So first thing, cut off the old connector. Do notice there how they are. It's not exactly a square, it's more of a rectangle. So make sure you put these back in just the way they come out. All right, then you need to strip about 3/8 of an inch of the wire coating off. All right, once again, we're going to make it just like the old one was. So we're going to put the yellow. And these just slide in and automatically lock in place. And there we have it, new pin connector. Let's twist those back, and then we'll do the same thing on the other one. Okay, now that both new connectors are on, let's put them out of the way, and then we'll unscrew both of these screws on the top. Just set them to the side and pull the top washer off. Just remember how it goes for your new bulb. And try not to let it drop, but just grab it. Now on the old bulb, it's okay to touch the glasses, but when we put the new bulb in, we want to keep our fingers off of the glass, because the grease on our fingerprints will make the UV bulb burn hotter in that area. So you can tell this one's burned up pretty bad. So let's take a new bulb. This new bulb is actually out of the package broke. Let's see if the other one's good. It is broke as well. So luckily I have 2 more in the truck. Alright, let's see if these bulbs are any good. Alright, that's better. So I usually have a piece of plastic or a paper towel or something just to hold on to. Gently slide it in, and realize this here is your quart sleeve, so be very gentle not to break the quart sleeve. We do have another project. I'll be doing a video on how to change that. So lower it in. Once it's in, you can slide your washer back over. Sometimes a little lube helps. Slide it through. And just lower it in gently. Alright. And then take your screws with the washer. I'll usually unscrew them up to have room to start the screw. I'll just get a couple threads on it, and then I'll do the next one. Once you have your screws in, take the nut and tighten it down. Do not over tighten, because you will bust the quart sleeve. All right. Once that's together, take your 4-pin connector, and remember, it's not perfectly square. So these two here are closer together than these two, so it only goes on one direction. All right. You can see I'm glowing now. So that is the successful 4-pin swap and UV bulb. Now all we got left to do is put the cover back on. But this is a 6.3 filter with a 1 horsepower external pump. So we're just starting up for the season. Alright, next video soon should be of us replacing the quart sleeve. Thanks for watching.